So here friends, we will study about here axis. What is the axis? So we will study about this chapter, that is the axis. Generally we know that this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So this x-axis, y-axis. So this representation is done generally in the books, and we see it in solving the sum question. So suppose that when there is x-axis, this is x-axis and this is y, x and y. So this is called minus y-axis and this is called minus x-axis. And you should also know that between the x-axis and y-axis the angle is 90 degree, and between the y-axis and minus x-axis the angle is also 90 degree, and the minus x-axis and minus y-axis means angle between this and this is also 90 degree. Similarly we see that the angle between the x-axis and minus y-axis is also 90 degree. Hence overall we are seeing that in this whole moving from here to here the total angle is 360 degree. And if you move from here to here, this is 180, and if we are moving from here to this, so this is 270, that is 90 90 90, that is 270. And if you are moving from here to at this position, then that is the 360. So that is the angle representation. Though between this is the 0 degree, and from here this will say that is 90 degree. If you are moving from here 0 degree to here, so that is the 90 degree. So this region is between 0 to 90, and this is 90 to 80. This is 180. 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270. And finally we are moving 360 degree, and this region is from 0 to 90, and this is from 90 to 80, 90 to 180. Means if we are taking that what is the angle of 135, then you will say that 135 angle will come in this region. And similarly if we are talking above the 220 degree, 220 degree, so 220 degree angle will come in this region. Similarly 350 angle will come in this region, and so on. So you can divide the angle by this rule. So now we'll move for next. So if this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is the origin. This is called origin. And the coordinate of origin is generally considered to be as a 0, 0. So this is the important features. So I am again making the axis. This is x-axis, this is y, this is minus x-axis, this is y-axis. Suppose I am making the marking 1 2 3 4 5, means I have made the scaling on the x-axis. Similarly we will also make the scaling on the minus x-axis like this. Similarly we will make the marking on the y-axis. This is the positive direction of y-axis, so we will write here positive. This is positive direction of the x-axis, so we will write here positive value. So and here is the positive y-axis, so we will write here positive. This is the positive, though I have not written the positive sign, but when nothing is written, then it is understood that this is the positive, this is the positive. This is -1, this is -2, and this is -3, this is -4. So and this is the -5. So in this way you can make the description. And suppose that you have to draw coordinate 2.3, means suppose that you have to draw coordinate point A, that is 2, 3. So this means 2 unit on the x-axis. So this is the 2 unit on the x-axis, and this means 3 unit on the y-axis, and this is 2 unit on the x-axis. This is 2 unit on the x-axis, and this is 3 unit on the y-axis. So we will draw a vertical line, vertical dotted line like this, and this is horizontal line like this. Since this vertical line and this horizontal line are meeting to each other at point this, so this point is A and its coordinate will be 2, 3. In this way we write the coordinate. So similarly, if you have to said that draw the line coordinate -2, -4, then that means you have to move -2 unit on this x-axis and -4 unit on this negative y-axis. So and we will draw a vertical line like this and horizontal line like this, passing through the -4, horizontal line passing through the -4, and vertical line passing through the -2, and this -2 unit is on the negative x-axis, and this -4 unit is on the negative y-axis. So drawing the line like this, and we are seeing that these lines are cutting to each other at this point. So this point will be point B, and which coordinate will be -2, -4. So in this way we can represent the coordinates in the Cartesian plane. This is also called the Cartesian plane. So that's all about this video. So visit our website www.RSL So visit our website and you can see the many types of many types of the description about the mathematics and some physics more. So try to visit our website and see the more mathematical question. So that's all about this video. If you feel that this video is very helpful as for your demanding requirement, so please subscribe this video by pressing the red button of this under this video. So subscribe the red button, subscribe. So subscribe this video. That's all about here. Thanks.